Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 over s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 1 over s squared ds. Because we don't have negative sign here, so I will put this one go to the left. This one we change for u. This one we change for negative du. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about 1 over s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.